morning, children, and how are all of you? On the 2nd of October, on your screens, that's your TV screens, you must have seen the father of the nation, Bapuji. Yes, and we must follow some of his tenets of Bapuji. Okay? So with this, let's begin with our numbers today. We are going to say numbers 1 to 40, and you will say it with me. Okay? Let's begin. I will say 1 and you will say 2, and we will continue till 40. Right? So let's begin. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
1, 0, 10,
1, 1, 11,
1, 2, 12,
1, 3, 13,
1, 4, 14,
1, 5, 15,
1, 6, 16,
1, 7, 17,
1, 8, 18,
1, 9, 19,
2, 0, 20,
2, 1, 21,
2, 2, 22,
2, 3, 23,
2, 4, 24,
2, 5, 25,
2, 6, 26,
2, 7, 27,
2, 8, 28,
2, 9, 29,
3, 0, 30,
3, 1, 31,
3, 2, 32,
3, 3, 33,
3, 4, 34,
3, 5, 35,
3, 6, 36,
3, 7, 37,
3, 8, 38,
3, 9, 39.
4, 0, 40.
That's it, children. You did a good job. Now, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to draw things on the board, write numbers on one side, and then I'm going to ask you a question. Okay? So let's begin. Well, children, this is our first exercise that we are going to do, where we are going to color as asked. Now, what have you been asked? You've been asked to color 8 leaves from this box that is here. I have drawn lots of leaves, but we are going to color only, how many leaves are we going to color? We are going to color only 8 leaves. So what I'll do is, we must first write the number of leaves that we are going to color. Okay? So this is 1 leaf, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I have written the numbers in the leaves of the total number of leaves that I have to color. And how many leaves had I to color? I had to color 8 leaves. So on 8 leaves I wrote their numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to only color the leaves which have the numbers in them. So this is 1, this is 2, again we will count, okay, as we are coloring. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the last one, that is 8. Now let us check again whether we've colored 8 leaves that we were asked. We were asked how many leaves? 8. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will not color this leaf because we were asked to color only 8 leaves. Now, what number is this? This is 5. Now, we have to color 5 apples. What's the color of an apple? An apple is red in color. So what we are going to do now, children, now remember, we have to write the numbers in the apples. Now how many numbers are asked? 5. So I'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I will only color the apples in which I have written the numbers. And what color will I put inside? I will put in red color. Why red? Because an apple is red. Alright. So this is one apple. This is the second apple. This is apple number 3. Then I'm going to apple number, what comes after 3? 4. Yes, I'm coloring the fourth apple, that's 4. Then this is apple number 5. Will I color the sixth apple? No. Why? Because I'm asked to color 5 apples, and first what did I do? I wrote the numbers inside the apples, and then I will only color those apples. Have you understood, children? So I will repeat. We are asked to color the number of leaves, 8 leaves. So first what did I do? I wrote the numbers in the leaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I colored those 8 leaves. I did the same thing for the apples. We are asked 5 apples. I wrote the numbers in 5 apples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I only colored the apples in which I had written the numbers. I guess you've understood this. Okay? Children, this is the second exercise that we are going to do. Okay? Now in this exercise, what are we going to do? We are going to draw as asked. Now here you are told to draw how many apples. What number is this? Number is 3. And you are told to draw 3 apples. Now you know how to draw apples. Katie auntie taught you. Remember? We wrote a V, we made a C, an ulta C, and we made one stick. This is one apple. Again a V, we wrote a C, ulta C, and a stick. That's the second apple. And the third apple, a V, then a C, and an ulta C, and a stick. So we've drawn how many apples? We've drawn 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. How many apples were we asked? We were asked to draw 3 apples. Now we are going to draw balls. How many balls are we asked? What number is this? This is number 4. So how many balls will we draw? We will draw 4 balls. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many balls have we drawn? We have drawn 4 balls. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. And now let's color these balls. This is one ball. This is the second ball. Ball number 3 and ball number 4. Now the last one. Because we are told to draw as asked. Now what are we asked? We are asked to draw suns. And how many suns are we to draw? 2 suns. So let's use yellow color for the sun. How do we draw the sun? Like this. You remember I taught you how to draw the sun? One sun. And this is the second sun. So we've learned how to draw how many suns? 1 and 2. So we've drawn how many suns here? 3. Now let's check whether we did it correctly. We have to draw as asked. Now what are you asked? You're asked to draw how many? 3 apples. We've drawn 3 apples and we've written numbers in them so that we know we've drawn 3 apples. Okay? Here you are asked, what number is this? 4. 4 balls. Then we draw 1 ball and write 1, 2, 3, and we've drawn how many balls? 4. Now here you are asked 2 suns. So we'll draw 1 sun and write 1 inside, We'll draw the second sun and write number 2. So children, this is another exercise where you are told to draw the number that you are asked. Okay? Earlier we colored the number that we were asked. Here we are drawing the number that we are asked. Okay? After this I'm going to teach you another exercise. Children, here what are we going to do? There's no drawing, but here we have to be very careful. We have to look at the numbers very carefully. Why? Because we have to match the numbers. Now I have written numbers here and I have written numbers here. Let's read the numbers. Which is the first number? 1. 1, 2, 12. Now this number is 3, 1, 31. 1, 4, 14. 2, 1, 21. And 2, 4, 24. Now you must be very careful, children. You must look at the first number. This is number 1. And what is written after that? Number 2. 1, 2, 12. Now let's see where is 12 this side. Can you see now 1 to 12? Here. 1, 2, 12. So what will I do? I will match it with a straight line. The next one. This is 3, 1, 31. Now let's find out where is 3 first. Here's 3. 3, 1, 31. So I'll match it with this. Now let's look at this. 1, 4, 14. Let us see where is 1 again. Here's 1, 4, 14. I'll match it with this. Now 2, 1, 21. And here is 2, 4. And here is 2, 1. So I will match 2, 1, 21. And of course the last one, I don't have to worry. So all I do is match it. Children, you must remember it's 1 to 12 and this is 2, 1, 21. You have to be very careful with these two numbers. Okay? Now we will do, after we finish this, we are going to do the fourth exercise. Right? Now children, this is the fourth exercise that we are going to do with numbers. And what have we to do? We have to write what comes after. Uske baad kya hota hai. Now you remember in the third exercise I told you have to read the numbers properly. What number is this?
1,
And
2,
1, 2,
12,
Alright. Now what comes after 1, 2, 12? 1. And what comes after 2?
3,
So 1, 3, 13. Okay? Now let's read this. What number is this?
1,
This is 1, yes. And what comes after 8?
9,
So 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. Look at this number. What number is this?
2,
And this is
4,
So what number will I write first?
2,
Yes, 2. And what comes after 4?
5,
5. Now let us see if this is right. 24. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. Look at this number, it's very easy. It's number
8,
And what comes after 8?
9,
That's right. Now let's look at this. What number is this? This is
3.
number 3. And what comes after 3? I'm sorry, 3 and this is
1,
3, 1, 31. So what will I write first? Will
3.
I write 1?
No.
What will I write?
3.
So what comes after 1?
2,
And 31, 32. So this is also correct now. And I've written 33 here. So what will come after 33? 34. Yes. Now, how will I read this number? Will I read it as 1, 3?
No.
Why? Because I have to look at the first number. The first number is
3.
And what, so let's write 3. Okay. Now what comes after 1?
2.
2. So let us see if our answer is right. 3 1 31. 3 2
32.
Yes. Now this is easy. It's number
6.
What comes after 6?
7.
Yes. Have I written 7 correctly? Yes. Now, what number is this? This is a tricky one, so you have to be careful. This is number 2. 9, 29. And what comes after 29?
3 0 30.
Yes, 3 0 30. So let's see if our numbers are correct. This is number 12. After 12 comes 13. This is number 1 8 18. 1 9 19. This is 2 4 24. 2 5 25. 8 9. 3 1 31. 3 2 32. 3 3 33. 3 4 34. Now here again. I repeated this number twice. Just look at that, but doesn't matter. 3 1 31. 3 2 32. 6 7. Now this is 2 9 29. 3 0 30. Okay? So children, we've learned 4 exercises, where in the first one we learned to color as asked. The second one was to draw as asked. The third one we did was to match. And the last one was what comes after. Okay? So, have a good day children. I'll see you next time. Bye. Parents, if you like my video and if you really like them very much, please don't forget to press the bell icon and to subscribe. And of course, I'd like to hear your comments too. So see you next time. Bye.